Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So yeah, I had to get up and get some medicine because I didn't have none too. I feel like that's why I feel like a little crappy yesterday. But since we were up and I got us dressed to go to the store, I figured we might as well go out and return those sneakers to the mall because yeah, I'm not sure when the return date is or whatever. But yeah, so we're on our way to the mall. And what else we gotta go get into? I think I wanted to bake something with Kennedy today. I'm not sure if we're doing that. And I just wanted to go in at home since I'm gonna be in the neighborhood just to see what they have. That's the highway. Just to see what they have for, you know, the new house, and like trying to get the feel of what we going for. I know I like don't need like the little important stuff first. Like the furniture is more of an importance first, you know, and we want to put the right furniture. Like we're going to take our time to furnish this house because we want to put the right thing in there, and we just don't want to rush to put anything in there. So yeah, I just want to see what kind of furniture they have over there, so, and how much it costs, you know. Maybe I can get something now, I don't know. But yeah, stay tuned to see what we get into today, guys. You ready to eat? Yeah. So he said, you just gotta scan this and the menu will come up. Like, look. That's so cool. You got grilled cheese and french fries. Hold on, be careful. I'm gonna break it up for you. Thank you. I got Caesar salad and some shrimp, like muddy shrimp. It's good? Thank you. That's my plastic fork. Can I? Say thank you. Hurry up before the baby wake up. That was good. I've been wanting to eat there for a while. Go ahead. We're not getting nothing out of here. Maybe not. Come on. He's still asleep. Ooh, I'm feeling a little better. I am. I definitely am. Oh, what sign is this? Anyway. I used to work at the H&M. Like, I was thinking, like, do I miss working in retail? I do, but I don't. I miss my job as a visual merchandiser, but yeah, I'm not sure if I miss. Maybe, I guess the location, I guess. Will I be going back to work? I don't know. But I'm feeling better. I'm almost feeling normal. I got like a itch in my throat. Like, that's why I said I don't even think I told y'all what's the matter. I have like a little cough. Did I tell y'all? I don't know. I just have like a little cough. My throat isn't sore, it itches. And I can feel like mucus. I know it might be TMI, but I can feel like mucus in it. I don't know. Is that COVID symptoms? I don't know. But I still, it's 1 o'clock. I still haven't called to make an appointment, so I gotta get on that. I'm not really sure why I'm here. I mean, I'm looking for some inspiration in a couple of the rooms, but again, I will share more information about the house once it's built, because I can't tell you guys. Look at that. I could tell you the house not that big to fit this in my yard, okay? But yeah, I feel like if you were listening, look at all the Christmas decorations. I'm getting sidetracked. If you was listening to the details of us picking out the house and stuff, then you kind of already know the layout. Oh, look at the trees. Who's ready for Christmas? Yeah, so yeah, I'm kind of just looking for some inspiration. Wait guys, there was a Big Lots next door, and I haven't been in Big Lots in over a decade, but a lot of you guys shop there, and I don't remember them selling furniture. Like, got Christmas trees. We're about to look around. All right guys, so we're back home now. I think I did really good. I did not buy anything out of At Home or Big Lots. Yeah, only thing I did get those sneakers that I tried on. I'll show you a close-up, but yeah, I didn't get anything else. Like, I got Ken like a backpack, but that was literally $5, so I really didn't spend even any money, like a little bit of money today. So it's always a good day. Let me see your baby shark bag. Let me see. Let me see. Oh, that's so cute. Let me see it. But yeah, I'm not sure what activity we about to do. I've been meaning to do a few activities with Ken, but I just haven't gotten to it. We're gonna get something done today, right? Bye-bye. Frick and frick. I think I know what this is, but I wasn't supposed to get it until, yep, God knows when. This is Kinkin's Halloween costume. Y'all say, where are we going for Halloween? No way. But stay tuned. I think I know where I want her to wear this to. Oh my god, so all of this glitter just came out, so I'm gonna leave the wings in the bag, but it has a headband, a wand, it's some kind of fairy, and this dress lights up. But yeah, it's glitter everywhere. I'm not sure, like, it's like this piece in here, but it's like try me. Hold on. Oh my god, look at it, Kinkin. Wow. I don't know how it's supposed to go on by itself, but you like it? Hold on. Alright, so we're gonna bake these cookies. I don't like these cookies. You ready? And I seen these in there too. These Toll House Hocus Pocus. I never seen this movie. Me and Suge both never seen it. We gonna watch it tonight. But it's oatmeal, peanut butter, cookie dough. I don't know. But you ready, Ken? Yeah. Okay. Open please. Open please? Yeah, open please. Stop. Stop. What you say? Yeah. Stop. You excited? You excited? You excited? Yeah. Look at this. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness, I'm messing them up. Okay. You about to just put it down. Oh my god. I never worked with these ones. I'm just gonna put it. Huh. Put it. Oh, no. Put it down. Put it on the pan. Wow. We gotta cook it.
The cookies.
We gotta cook the cookies. I don't know if this is. You excited? You wanna eat the cookies?
Yeah.
They not cooked. You gotta cook them.
Yeah.
You gotta put them in the oven hot.
Yeah.
See the cookies?
Wow. Take it.
One look and I breathe. One touch feels skin deep. A picture perfect, underserving. Everything will probably go.
Pumpkin cookies.
Yeah.
We gonna cook them, okay?
Yeah.
Put them in the hot oven, okay? How long are they supposed to cook?
Wow.
You don't know?
Yeah.
Here are the cookies. They're still soft. I bit it. I don't particularly like these. They're like peanut buttery. But these you gotta cook a few minutes less. I done been making these for years. Just so they could be soft. Cause you cook these too long, they're a hot, hard mess. But these are good. You gotta just undercook them a little bit. Cookie? What you say? Say thank you.
Thank you.
It's good? Alright guys, so that's basically the end of Vlogtober day 8. We're gonna get her some dinner and ready for bed. But I hope you enjoyed today's vlog. Again, don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe, and we'll see you tomorrow in the next vlog. Bye.
Bye.
See you later.